Hey guys, Menchi here, and today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to use a classic track by Avicii called Wake Me Up, and I decided to change it a bit and make my own sound, something like other melody, other chords, but the same feeling. Sounds a bit different, I know, but let me show you the track and I'll explain what I made there.
You wanna come with me? I can see it in your eyes. It's a feeling that you can't deny. I'll bring you high so deep, so we can feel alive. Leave the world behind. Let yourself go. Enjoy the ride. And if we fall, don't forget to just go with the vibe. Turn off the lights so we can't count the stars. I'll read your mind when you open up your heart. Turn off the lights so we can't count the stars. Only the moonlight shining in the dark. You wanna come with me? I can see it in your eyes. It's a feeling that you can't deny. I'll bring you high so deep, so we can feel alive. Leave the world behind. Let yourself go. Enjoy the ride. And if we fall, don't forget to just go with the vibe. Turn off the lights so we can't count the stars. I'll read your mind when you open up your heart. Turn off the lights so we can't count the stars. Only the moonlight shining in the dark.
Okay, sounds like that. By the way, I made something like this. Let me show you. We have a drop and I decided just to change the melody, but I have original chords and original melody. Let me show you. Yeah, it sounds like that. Yeah, I just decided to use other order of chords and other melody, if you hear. Yeah, so let's start from the drums. We have a kick. It sounds like back in the days. By the way, I used Pack by Nicky Romero, something like old fashioned Pack, something like in the style of tracks back in the days. Also we have something like a cowboy drums, something like that. Yeah, we have a kick, something like a clap. I used 3 claps here. Also we have a hat, something like a drums. I decided to make something like a pen, something like a ping pong pen or delay, I don't know how it's called, but I decided to use this feature. And we have these drums. sounds really cool, I think. Also we have here the same drums like in the breakdown, and I decided to add this ride and the open head. Also we have a sort of like a tambourine, and let's listen to these drums together. Sounds like that. Also I decided to make something like a filter and reverb effects. Like in the most Avicii tracks, something like playing with the filter and the reverb. Yeah, we have here a snap. It's like a fill. Yeah, we have here chords. By the way, I decided to use them only in the second breakdown. I heard it on in the original track. Something like that. Also we have sub bass, mid bass, and we have a melody. We have something like a melody in the breakdown. Originally it sounds like that. And I decided to make my own melody. If you see, we have some variation, not a big variation, by the way, but it sounds a bit different. Yeah, because we have a bit other chords. Yeah. Also, by the way, we have 3 layers here. Something like guitars and bell. Yeah, and we have here lead. Of course, you can use other instruments, because I decided to use these ones, but maybe you will find better decision. I know there are a lot of tutorials explaining how Avicii made his tracks. I decided to not watching these tutorials, because I decided to make my own vision, how I see these tracks, how I hear these tracks, and make my own product. Yeah, but anyway, you can check my project, by the way, in the description, and I'll upload on my Patreon page, and maybe you can make this melody a bit better. I don't know. Anyway, we have a guitar here. Something like a cowboy guitar. By the way, I used a pack from Vengeance, and these guitars called Cowboy, by the way. Yeah, and sounds a bit similar to original. We have vocals.
And then I let yourself go off the light, so we can't count the stars.
We have crash. We have also these Atmo reverse. And we have some affixes. Something like that. So it's not so difficult to produce, but there are a lot of things you should know. something like maybe sounding of the lead or something other stuff, maybe the sounding of these cowboy drums, I don't know. Anyway, I'll try to finish it by my own, but I made something like a demo. You can easily find in the description this project, and maybe make something by your own, I don't know. Feel free to check these links in my description. So Menchu was here. Bye bye, guys.